shit. Oh my god, he was right. Okay, I see why this shit is going viral. My boyfriend had told me about this because he's a freak about his teeth. Like, they have to be white. So he saw this going around on the TikTok shop, got it ordered. Ingredients in it are super natural. They're also supposed to help strengthen your enamel. Guys, if you're looking for a way to get your teeth white without those like nasty whitening strips, like waiting an hour, this literally just took me 2 minutes and just brush just like I did. I think he was lucky when he got this one because I've seen them sell out twice now. So if you guys want to check them out, I'm gonna link them for you down below.